Today we will make a coin cell to measure the ionic conductivity of separator. So take the negative casing of coin cell, then use the stainless steel spacer placed inside the negative casing. Then you have to take your separator for which you want to measure the ionic conductivity. Separator is placed. I am putting dry separator because it's easy to handle. Then you have to drop the electrolyte, either it can be lithium ion or sodium ion, depending on your electrochemistry. So once the separator is wet, then you can place the second stainless steel spacer onto the top of the separator. Then place the spring and add some more electrolyte and close the positive casing. Actually the the separator is sandwiched between two stainless steel electrodes or plates in the form of coin cells. It's ready for crimping. So just make sure do all the process inside the glove box. So make at least 3 cells for each composition. Use the crimping machine and carefully place the coin cell at the center of the machine, and then apply the pressure of about 750 psi. Once you release the pressure, the cell is already sealed. So then you can do the testing.